Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Mr. Bond. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. It's great to have you here again.
Today, we're talking about something really special, how to train your mouth and your brain to speak English naturally.
Yes, this episode is perfect for anyone who understands English but finds it hard to speak English.
Maybe you can read, maybe you can listen, but when it's time to talk, your mouth feels stuck.
Exactly. Your brain knows the words, but your mouth doesn't move fast enough.
Don't worry, you are not alone. We will help you train your mouth and brain together so English becomes smooth, clear, and confident.
And before we begin, remember to subscribe to our channel, share this podcast with a friend, and check the free practice worksheet in the description.
It will help you follow today's lesson step by step.
Great. Are you ready to start your English workout?
Let's go. So, Tom, many learners say, I understand English, but I can't speak. Why does that happen?
Good question. It's because they don't train their mouth.
Train the mouth? What do you mean by that?
Well, our mouths are like little gyms. They have muscles, tongue, lips, jaw, that need exercise to move in English sounds.
Ah, so speaking English is not only in your brain, but also in your muscles.
Exactly. Imagine reading a book about swimming, but never going into the water. You'll know the theory, but not the movement.
That's a great example. So the first step is to move your mouth, not just think the words.
Right. Try saying short English phrases out loud every day. For example, good morning. How are you? I'm feeling great.
Excellent. This is what we call mouth memory. The more you say it, the more natural it becomes.
Yes, your mouth starts to remember the shape of each sound.
Some people are shy to speak aloud even when alone.
I know, but it's important. Speaking to yourself is one of the best ways to practice.
You can describe what you're doing. I'm making coffee. I'm checking my phone. I'm washing the dishes.
Perfect. That connects real actions with English words.
So your mouth and your brain start to work together. Action and language become one.
Exactly. And don't worry about mistakes. The goal is movement, not perfection.
Right. Even babies make sounds before they can speak perfectly. Now, Tom, what's the best technique for training your mouth?
One of my favorites is called shadowing.
Shadowing. That sounds interesting. What is it?
It means you listen to someone speaking English in a podcast, video, or movie, and you repeat what they say almost at the same time.
Like a shadow that follows a person.
Exactly. You copy their pronunciation, rhythm, and tone.
Let's try. I'll say a sentence, and you, our listeners, repeat after me. Hello, how are you today? I'm learning English with Mr. Bond. Speaking English feels easier every day.
Fantastic. That's shadowing, listening and speaking together.
It helps your mouth move faster and your ears listen better.
And remember, don't stop even if you don't understand every word. Keep the rhythm.
Exactly. Like singing along to a song, you follow the melody.
Over time, your mouth becomes stronger, your pronunciation clearer, and your confidence higher.
Beautiful. Let's call this step 1, train the mouth. Now that our mouths are working, let's talk about training the brain.
Yes, many learners try to translate every word from their first language before speaking.
And that makes speaking slow.
Exactly. Your brain gets stuck between two languages.
So how can we change that?
Start thinking directly in English, even in simple words.
For example, if you see a glass of water, don't think of the word in your own language first. Just think, water.
When you feel hungry, think, I'm hungry. When you're cold, think, it's cold.
This helps your brain build English roads, fast connections between ideas and words.
I love that image. English roads in your brain.
Yes, it becomes easier to travel on those roads every day.
At first, it might feel strange, but soon your thoughts will begin forming in English naturally.
You can even keep a thought diary.
A thought diary? That's new.
Yes, every morning, write 3 short sentences about your day in English. For example, I feel happy today. The weather is nice. I will study English after breakfast.
Brilliant idea. Writing also trains your brain to build English sentences.
Exactly. And when you think in English, your speaking becomes faster and smoother.
That's because your brain and mouth are working together like a team.
Teamwork makes fluency.
Yes, that's right.
Here's a mini practice. Listeners, repeat these dots silently in your mind, then out loud. I can speak English. English is my friend. I'm improving every day.
Great job. That's mental training for your English brain.
And remember, small thoughts grow into strong habits.
Exactly. If you do this every day, your mind will start to live in English.
Wonderful. So, step 2, train the brain.
Now, let's connect everything. How do we make English part of everyday life?
The secret is immersion. That means surrounding yourself with English, even when you're not studying.
You can listen to short English podcasts while cooking or traveling.
Or watch English videos with subtitles.
Change your phone or social media language to English.
Yes, even simple things, reading signs, listening to songs, following English memes, help your brain stay active.
I like that. Learning without feeling like studying.
Exactly. Learning becomes part of life.
And what about time, Anna? Many learners say, I don't have 2 hours every day.
That's okay. You don't need long hours. Just 5 minutes every day is powerful.
5 minutes? Really?
Yes, consistency is the key. Like watering a plant, a little every day helps it grow.
That's true. If you skip many days and study a lot only once, your mouth forgets.
Right, short and regular practice keeps your brain and mouth in shape.
Let's give our listeners a small daily routine.
Good idea. Morning. Listen to one short English clip or phrase. Repeat it 3 times aloud.
Afternoon. Think of one thing you're doing and describe it in English. I'm eating lunch. I'm walking to work.
Evening. Write 2 simple sentences about your day. I watched a movie. I felt happy today.
That's so easy. Anyone can do it.
Yes, and it builds confidence step by step.
Also, record yourself once a week. It's scary at first, but very useful.
True. When you listen again, you hear your progress.
And remember, your accent is part of who you are.
Absolutely. Don't try to erase it. Be proud of your voice.
The goal is not perfection. The goal is communication.
Well said. When you communicate, you connect.
So that's step 3. Live with English every day.
Exactly. Your mouth, your brain, your life, all speaking together. Let's review everything we learned today.
Great idea. Step 1. Train your mouth.
Repeat sounds and phrases out loud. Use shadowing to copy pronunciation and rhythm.
Step 2. Train your brain.
Think in English. Write simple thoughts or sentences every day.
Step 3. Live with English daily. Surround yourself with English through listening, reading, and speaking.
Let's practice together now. Repeat after us slowly. Wake up. Speak English. Think in English. Keep practicing.
Excellent. Now let's make short sentences. I wake up and speak English. I train my mouth every morning. I think in English at work. I'm learning every day.
Perfect. Now some positive questions and answers.
Ready? Do you practice English every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you believe you can speak fluently?
Yes, I can.
Wonderful energy.
Remember, English grows when you speak it, not just when you study it.
Yes. Say it with us. Practice brings progress. Again, practice brings progress.
Excellent.
Listeners, repeat this last affirmation. My mouth and brain work together in English. I'm becoming more confident every day. Speaking English feels natural to me.
Beautiful. Keep these sentences for your daily practice. Great job today, everyone. You've learned how to train both your mouth and your brain for English.
Remember, small daily steps lead to big progress.
Exactly. Even 10 minutes of English every day can change your fluency.
So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep smiling when you speak English.
Yes, enjoy the journey. You're building a new skill, and you should feel proud.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Learn English with Mr. Bond.
And share this podcast with a friend who is also learning English. Practicing together is even more fun.
Leave us a comment below. Tell us one simple English phrase you will start repeating every day.
We'll read some of your answers in the next episode.
Until then, keep speaking, keep thinking, and keep growing in English.
See you next time on Learn English with Mr. Bond.
Bye, everyone.